Supercharge your savings with up to 4x leverage using the MTF feature on InvestRight app. MTF, Margin Trading Facility, is a feature that can fund your future investments in the market. It means if you have 1 lakh rupees worth of savings, you can make it up to 4 lakh rupees, depending on the leverage available on more than 1100 eligible companies. Let's see how this works. Let's say a company's stock price is 100 rupees and the available funding is 75%. It means that you can buy up to 40,000 shares with just 10,000 rupees worth of savings. If the funding reduces to, let's say, 60%, then your 10,000 rupees worth of savings can get you shares worth 25,000 rupees. This extra capital, funded by the InvestRight app, comes with a minimal daily interest. But remember, you have to use this extra capital very carefully because MTF can boost your profit and loss both. In case the stock price falls, you'll have to add extra margins in the fund section of the app to keep your position alive. And the added advantage, you can hold this position for up to
T plus 999 days.
all you have to do is go to the app, scroll to the MTF or the research dashboard section, and here you will get eligible companies, recommendations based on your risk appetite. You can also use the MTF calculator to check the margins, funding available for all eligible companies. So try out this feature now and happy investing with the new IR app. Download now.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.